Hey everybody, Ryan here with A1 Custom Car Care. I just wanted to reach out to you all of you who are out there in this difficult time. It's been a difficult time for all of us. It's a difficult time for everybody in the automotive industry, in healthcare, in whatever job you're pursuing out there. This is tough, and we understand that. And everybody's tired of hearing about, everything that's going on. And I know that we're doing what we can to protect our customers and protect our employees. I know everybody else out there in the industry is as well. But I think it's important right now to remember and really focus on the idea that this will pass. Things are going to get better. And we're not going to be stuck in our homes the entire time that we're dealing with this virus. Spring is still going to happen. Spring is still going to come. We're still going to be able to enjoy the weather, enjoy the flowers. You can still get out and go exercise. You can still get out and take your kids, to go see the wonders of spring in the Ozarks. And it's not going to be the end of the world. There's going to be a lot of really good lessons that are going to get learned out of this, both socially and professionally, from the standpoint of keeping these kind of things to a minimum. So look on the bright side. Look at the changes that will be made in our very technology, very impersonal society as we change the way that we interact and we focus on our need for social interaction, and we really see the effect that has on people. So don't look at the negative. Don't let yourself get down. Be encouraged, because we're here for you just like everyone else is in the community. Look at what's happening in your community around you and the support networks that are popping up out of nowhere. Look at the people who are taking care of others out of the kindness of their hearts, and respect the fact that we are all humans and we are all in this together. It doesn't matter what industry. It doesn't matter who you are or where you came from. It just matters that we're in this together. We're battling a common enemy, and we're going to win. So take that as you will. You guys have a good day. Stay safe, and we will catch you on the flip side.